Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the top on a Jeep Gladiator. First, determine if you have a hard top or a soft top, as the process differs slightly for each. Gather your tools, like a ratchet and a T50 Torx bit, and ensure you're in a safe, level area. This preparation makes the removal smooth and prevents damage. For hard top removal, begin by unlatching the two front freedom panels and storing them safely. Next, use your T50 Torx bit and ratchet to remove the 6 bolts securing the hardtop to the body. Don't forget to disconnect the wiring harness on the driver's side. With a friend's help, carefully lift the hardtop straight up and off your Gladiator, placing it on a soft surface to prevent damage. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, if you're looking to simplify your financial life, I highly recommend *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a book that can truly change how you think about money. You can find the link to the book and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Removing the soft top is generally quicker. Start by releasing the latches above the front seats. Then, remove the rear window and quarter panels, storing them in a soft top bag if you have one. Fold the soft top back towards the rear of the vehicle, tucking in the side bows, and secure it with the integrated straps. Finally, remove the 2 screws on each side that secure the soft top to the vehicle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.